DMP-8124 is a 4-channel digital signage media player ideal for applications where a customer requires 4 independent channels of 1080p content on multiple displays, or to span 4K content across displays from a single media player. This media player is well suited for video wall applications or 4-wide LCD digital menu systems. You may play back content on up to 4 LCD displays with flexible support for layouts and data feed support. Content may be spanned across 4 displays' landscape or portrait orientation. Bezel compensation supports a seamless viewing experience. The layout editor, Venus Control Suite, and the player configuration make this all possible with a multi-channel player. Profiles and configurations. These are the configurations that customers may want to deploy and the way we address those in the media player. Always shown as width by height. In these examples, the top listing is the standard bezel, the next is narrow bezel, and then no bezel. These can be landscape or portrait, stacked or spanned. Video walls, as shown to the right, are only narrow bezel. The displays tile the content out across the display using a single output and daisy chain the displays together. The examples shown on this page are quad for player mounted at the display. They're also available as quad R for players mounted at a remote location. The DMP-8124 can be attached to the Visa bracket or the rack shelf. The Visa bracket can be mounted to different surfaces via direct screw holes, and we'll take a look at this first.